So then the prepaid revenue expenses, prepaid expenses. Suppose insurance premium. Insurance premium is a prepaid expense. It is the best example of prepaid expense because we paid the insurance premium in advance. Okay, so prepaid expenses are shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, because of the going concern concept. We have to learn in exam. It can be asked that this is the situation. So which this situation is as per which concept? You have to just write the concept. Okay, it can be asked in your MCQ. It can be asked in your answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Understood, student? So you have to write the concept. Which concept is going? Which concept is applied here? So the prepaid expenses are shown in the balance sheet. Okay, on the asset side, because of the going concern concept, that because business will continue for the long time and it is expected the entity shall get the benefit of such prepaid expenses in future. Okay, entity will get the benefit of such expenditure in future. So prepaid expenses are shown in the balance sheet as per the going concern concept. Understood? And the balance sheet, second one, the fixed assets are shown at the deducting the depreciated value. Okay, is per the going concern concept. Okay, fixed assets are not shown as market value. Okay, understood? Then the deferred revenue expenditure. First, give me the example of deferred revenue expenditure. What are the deferred revenue expenditure? We have learned in chapter 1. Deferred revenue expenditure means the company or entity will get the benefit of such expenditure in the future days to come. Okay, for more than 2, 3, 5 years. Okay, 2, 3 years. So this is called deferred revenue expenditure. The best example of deferred revenue expenditure is advertisement expense. Okay, because any business can get the benefit of advertisement expenses in more than 1 or 2 years. Okay, so this is called the best example. Then share issue expenses. Okay, share issue expenditure. Okay, then debenture discount. So these are the examples of deferred revenue expenditure. So I hope that you have understood this.